How to send money on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to send money using Cash App, you're in the right place. Whether you're paying a friend, splitting a bill, or sending money for any reason, Cash App makes the process super simple. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to send money securely and effortlessly. So make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. Start by locating the Cash App icon on your smartphone and tap on it to open the app. Once you're inside, you'll notice a large field displayed prominently on the main screen. This is where you can enter the amount of money you want to send. Carefully type in the amount you wish to transfer. For example, if you're sending $25, enter 25 in the field. Double-check the amount to ensure it's correct before proceeding. Once you've entered the correct amount, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen where you'll find the Pay button. Tap on it to move to the next step. Now it's time to select the recipient. In the To field, you can enter their Cash App username, also called a cash tag, phone number, email address, or even their full name, as long as it's linked to their Cash App account. Take a moment to verify the recipient's details to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Take a moment to carefully review the recipient's details before proceeding. Ensuring accuracy is crucial, as sending money to the wrong person may result in difficulties recovering the funds. If you'd like to provide additional context for this transaction, you can enter a short note in the For field. While this step is completely optional, adding a description can be useful for keeping track of payments, especially if you're making multiple transactions. For example, if you're paying a friend back for dinner, you can type dinner payment to serve as a quick reference. Now let's move on to selecting the payment source for this transaction. Cash App provides you with two primary options. Cash App balance. If you already have funds available in your Cash App account, you can use this balance to complete your payment instantly. Linked bank account or debit card. If you don't have enough money in your Cash App balance, or if you prefer to use another funding source, you can choose a linked bank account or debit card instead. This allows you to send money directly from your bank. Take a moment to decide which payment method works best for you and ensure that the selected account or card has sufficient funds to complete the transaction. Now that you've chosen your preferred payment method, go ahead and tap on it to finalize your selection. This ensures that your transaction is processed through the correct funding source. Before moving forward, take a moment to double-check all the details you've entered. This includes the amount you're sending, the recipient's username or phone number, and any optional notes you've added. Verifying these details is essential to avoid any mistakes, such as sending money to the wrong person or entering an incorrect amount. Once everything looks good, it's time to complete your transaction. Locate the Pay button at the top right corner of your screen and tap on it to proceed. For security purposes, Cash App may require you to verify your identity before the payment is processed. If you have Face ID or Touch ID enabled, you may be prompted to authenticate the transaction using your biometric credentials. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, whether it's scanning your fingerprint or allowing facial recognition, to confirm your payment securely. Once your identity is verified, you'll receive an instant confirmation that your payment has been sent successfully. Cash App will also notify you with a transaction receipt, which you can review within your payment history to keep track of your transactions. And that's it. You've now successfully entered a referral code and completed a transaction on Cash App. If you have any questions about this process or run into any issues, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. I'd be happy to help. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.